Made of aluminum, the Aardwolf portable gantry crane is lightweight, portable and stable under load. No permanent installation is required. This device provides an economical lifting solution to lift materials inside the portable gantry crane. The height adjustment of the crane can be attained by using hand wind handles supplied with the crane or by use of a battery-powered drill. The height of the gantry crane is adjustable up to 3.5 meters. This gives operators flexibility in operation. This device provides an economical lifting solution to lift materials inside the portable gantry crane. This equipment can be used on construction sites as well as in factories. The portable gantry crane has the ability to be adjusted in height, allowing users to use it for various purposes, such as transporting, lifting, lowering slab materials in different heavy-duty conditions. The gantry crane is able to reach all corners of the plant. Attached with lifting equipment, the crane is easy to lift heavy loads. Thanks to its ability to be easily and quickly assembled and disassembled, the gantry crane is easily transported or relocated, making it ideal for workflow changes.